What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Yeezys 500. This is the third colorway to drop from the Yeezy 500. The other two pairs are the blush, the gray one, and the yellow moons. Now the other two colorways I really wasn't feeling when they came out. I personally like these pairs the best. I think they're easier to match. When you get them in person, they're really not bad. Everyone tells you these are the dad shoes. I can see now what they mean. They do look like something that your dad would wear. Let's be honest, these shoes are ugly. If Yeezys was not on this, we would definitely not wear them or even spend $30 on it or something like that. I got my pairs from Yeezy Supply. I was able to buy them in less than 5 minutes without even waiting in line or anything. I personally got them because I never owned Yeezys. I always wanted Yeezys, and every time I tried to purchase online, never able to get them. These shoes are not as comfortable as your Yeezys 350. I would say when you wear them for the first time, you would notice a difference, especially on the heel right here. It almost feels like there's something stuck in your shoe when you're walking on both feet. It's not to the fact where it's uncomfortable, but it's noticeable. Now I know these are not Boost, but they are very comfortable. And the inner sole is Ortholite, which is really nice, and it also has Yeezys right here on the inside. As you can see, the inside is colorful. Show you different kinds of gels. Now these are true to size. I got my size at 8.5 in sneakers. This fits perfect. Alright guys, enough with the talking. Let's get these on feet. Let's see how they look. Alright guys, thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. I hope you leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And comment below guys if you have any questions or any suggestions. I would love to get back to you guys. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Peace.